want to create your WhatsApp and AI assistant as well that automatically reply to all the queries that your leads, customers or clients have, then this video is just for you. Let me show you how my WhatsApp is converted as an AI assistant. I will ask a question related to my business towards this AI assistant, that is, how does Urban Wave ensure consistent sizing and fabric quality across batches, and what happens if consistencies are detected mid-production? Now this is the question I have. I have a clothing manufacturing business and I am asking this question towards my AI assistant. So let me ask this question. It will take few seconds for my WhatsApp AI assistant to send the reply back to me. So let me show you the reply that I have received. And yes, you can see this is the answer that I have received. Urban Weave ensures defined fabric and sizing standards and a multi-step Q&A process. When a problem is found during mid-production, affected pieces are identified and removed. Products that do not meet the quality standards are rejected before dispatch. And I have received a detailed reply of how consistency is ensured and what happens if inconsistencies are detected mid-production. I have received this detailed reply from this AI assistant. Not just this question, I have my next question towards this AI assistant, that is, if a buyer orders 80 t-shirts and 40 kurtis under one invoice, how will the bulk discount structure be calculated? So this is my next question towards this AI assistant. I will wait for the reply again, and I have received the reply. The order totals 120 units, that is 80 t-shirts and 40 kurtis, which falls into 100 to 300 unit slab. So a 5% bulk discount applies to the invoice automatically, and I have received a detailed version of this reply over here as well. So this is how I have created this WhatsApp, my WhatsApp, as an AI assistant, that too without need of any coding and programming skills for my business. I am not typing all of these answers. The assistant is automatically going to detect the question that the client has, and according to the question and your business norms, this assistant is going to generate the reply and send it back towards the client in few seconds. And in this video, I will teach you how you can also convert your WhatsApp as an AI assistant very simply and super easily. So now for creating this AI assistant, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you like this. You can manage your WhatsApp conversations in your business super easily and efficiently now, using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chat, with the help of which, without need of any coding and programming skills, you can manage and grow your business through WhatsApp. Now, on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, don't worry, simply sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free credits every month to test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one. And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to automate your business conversations, your WhatsApp business conversations as well, for that simply you can purchase our yearly or lifetime deals, using which you can super smoothly and efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations. Now, while purchasing, do you want instant discounts? Then I have a secret coupon code for you that is right here, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans. Okay, now I am already a user, so I will sign in from here directly, and as I will sign in, you will come to the window of all Pabbly apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. Now after clicking on Access Now, you will land towards Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. Now on the dashboard, if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number and what are the features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one, you can check out all the videos I've added in the description section, using which you will learn about Pabbly Chatflow, how it works and what are the features. Now go ahead, see those videos and then come back to this video. Now in order to create our WhatsApp as an AI assistant, we have this amazing feature of AI assistant right over here that you need to select. And then you will come towards the AI assistant page of your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, in order to create an AI assistant, click on this add button, and for the name of the assistant, I'm going to give it as Turn WhatsApp into an AI assistant for free. Click on this add AI assistant button. Now as you will do that, AI assistant is going to be created. Now there are these 4 sections that we are going to complete one by one to complete the entire setup of this AI assistant. First is instruction type. For the type, I will select over here as AI agent. If you want, you can select different type according to your requirement. As the type will be selected from here, you need to enter the rules and responsibilities, the instructions of this type, with the help of which this AI is going to operate. So you can eliminate or add in the points according to your requirement in this section. Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 and 1. 0 means more focused replies from this AI assistant, 1 being creative. So I will select the temperature as 0.5. AI to use, currently we have the option of OpenAI only. So I will select the AI to use as OpenAI, and the model I will select over here as GPT-5 mini. Remember, you should have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this amazing AI assistant. Then you will come to the API key section. Now to have the API key, you have to log into your OpenAI. For that, directly from the hyperlink, you have to go log into your OpenAI account. And after logging in from this hyperlink, directly you will land towards this API keys page. Now over here, to create a new token, go to this create button. For the name of the key, give the name whatever you want. Project, select default, whatever project you want. Permission, I'll select all the permissions. Create the key from here. Token will be generated. I'll copy this token, paste over here in the field, and click on this connect button. That is how I create the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Next, it is asking for the AI assistant settings. If you want these messages that I have received over here from this AI assistant should have a fixed header or a footer, you can add in that according to your requirement by simply toggling the button on. Next is stop keyword. If you want to give your customer an option of stopping the help of this AI assistant, you can toggle the button on and enter the stop keywords right here directly. If you want to add in the retry attempt, you can toggle this button on as well. Next is fallback message. That will be only forwarded if this API key that you have entered is not responding. You can change the fallback message according to your requirement. After adding the details, next section is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a documentation. Now, this AI is resolving what? The queries that you receive in your business from your clients. In order to resolve the queries, the AI should know about your business, right? And if the AI knows about your business, it will automatically resolve the questions as well. Now, how can you train the AI regarding your business? How can you tell AI that this is my business, these are the policies, this, that, like telling each and everything about your business? How can you train your AI in that way? That is where this knowledge source appears. Knowledge source is a very, very, very important part of this creation of the AI assistant. Why? Because knowledge source is a documentation where you have explained every single thing about your business one by one. This is my business, Urban Weave Clothing Co. That's a wholesale manufacturer company I have. Okay, I have written when it was established, what's the model, what's the primary market, sales. You can see I have entered the company information, long-term business visions. I have entered each and everything in this document. It's a PDF file. 2 types of files are accepted in Pabbly Chatflow, TXT and PDF. If your PDF contains only letters, there are no images added, then you can have n number of pages in your PDF document. But if your PDF contains any image, automatically the limit will be shifted to 10 pages only. Okay, you can create a long document explaining your business, what your business policies, what are the products, pricings, every single thing. You have to explain it over here in this knowledge source and upload it from this section right here. If I'm going to click right here, then I'm going to select this knowledge base from here directly. Okay, as I will do that, as knowledge base is going to be uploaded, you will see the knowledge source under the section of knowledge sources. This was a knowledge base. This is a vector ID with other details. So now after setting up the knowledge source, next 2 sections are assistant interface and settings. Now we have another gift for you. You can add this AI assistant on your website as well. Directly add it on your website. It will appear like this, from where the customers can directly communicate with the AI assistant. Now there is one thing. If you want to change, like I want to add in the brand name right here. So what's my brand name? It's Urban Weave Clothing Co. Now what I can do is from here directly an assistant interface, I can paste the name and it will be changed just like this. Okay, like that. If you want to change the heading, enter initial message, enable disable powered by Pabbly, enter the footer text and link right over here according to your requirement. You can do all of that from here directly. And last is users first message. So let's suppose the customer, client or the lead is directly communicating with this AI assistant just like I did. So what is the first usual message that you receive from your lead, your customer? You have to enter that message right here, okay? Now next is styling. If you want to change the color, picture, background, everything according to your requirement from the styling section, you can do that. I will skip that part. AI assistant has been created. This is how simple it is to create the AI assistant. Just complete some steps. Your assistant setup has been done. Enable this AI assistant from here and save it from here, and automatically this AI assistant has been saved successfully, is now active also. If you want to add this AI assistant on your website, go to embedded, copy the script from here, paste it on your website code, and the AI assistant will be created there as well. As now this AI assistant has been created successfully, let's test this AI assistant again. And how can I do that? By asking another questions towards this AI assistant right here. So let me enter another question that I have. If a customer reports defect after 72 hours of delivery, what will be the outcome and why? You can see this is the question I have. I will ask this question right over here towards this AI assistant directly. It will take few seconds for this AI assistant to reply back to me. So I will wait over here for a few seconds. This is the reply. Because Urban Weaves claims policy requires defects to be reported within 42 hours of delivery with proof, a defect reported after 72 hours outside the eligible window and under the policy will not be qualified for the standard refund or replacement process. Why? You can see the reason. What can you do now? You can see all the things has been mentioned right here in this answer. So this assistant is still replying to my questions, and as it is replying, the creation of this assistant has now been done. My WhatsApp is actually converted into an support AI assistant. Now it will resolve all the queries automatically without even me lifting up my finger, typing the replies manually. This assistant is now going to handle all of it by itself. Now, if I want, this AI assistant should be automatically enabled to all the messages that I receive on my WhatsApp. Now, how can I automatically enable this AI assistant to all the chats? For that, simply you have to go towards the settings and inbox settings section. Under inbox settings, scroll down till the end and toggle the button on of this AI auto reply settings. Enable it. Select the contact list to whom you want to auto enable this AI assistant to. So you have to select that contact list and then select the AI assistant that you want to automatically enable and save this rule right here. Now to all the contacts, this AI assistant will be auto enabled. Okay. Now my another thing is, what if I want to assign this AI assistant to one single chat, not to all the contacts? In that case, what you have to do is, you have to go towards this inbox section. After coming to inbox, select the chat that you want to automatically enable this assistant to. Under choose AI assistant, toggle this button on and select the AI assistant that you want to automatically enable. To this chat, this AI assistant is going to be enabled then and there. This is how individually you can assign the AI assistant as well. Now, as this AI assistant is replying, that means this AI assistant has now been created successfully using Pabbly Chatflow. Now your WhatsApp is going to be turned into an AI machine that will resolve all the queries 24/7 day and night. So this is how this AI assistant is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, if you have questions or doubts related to the creation of this assistant, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.